Hello students, in this video we are going to learn 10th standard maths chapter 3 algebra exercise 3.19 third sum. Look at the third sum. A has A rows and A plus 3 columns. B has B rows and 17 minus B columns, and if both products AB and BA exist, find A and B. First you have to write order of A and order of B. Okay, so our first step is to write order of A. How many rows in A? A rows. How many columns in A? A plus 3 columns. Okay, so we have to write order of A is nothing but A by A plus 3. Your first A represent number of rows. Second represent number of columns. Okay, understood? Okay, next you have to write order of B. What is order of B in the question given? So B has B rows. How many rows in B? B rows in B, and then 17 minus B columns in B. So you have to write B by 17 minus B. So this is our order of B. So what is given in the question? Both products AB and BA exist. So what do you meaning for this? Product AB exists, also product BA exists. If the product, when the product AB exists, if number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B, then only product AB exists. Am I correct or not? So you have to write like this. Since product AB exists, therefore number of columns in A equal to number of rows in B. Okay, how many columns in A? We have A plus 3 columns. So write A plus 3 here. How many rows in B? We have B rows in matrix B. So write B here. We have one equation, no? So try to convert this equation. Try to bring all the variables to one side, constant to another side. So bring this B to this side and then bring this plus 3 to this side. So this plus B will come here minus B. So A minus B equal to this plus 3 will go to that side, means minus 3. So this is our first equation. Call this equation as 1. Okay, and then our next step is, we have given in the question BA also exists. Okay, so since product BA exists, so now we have to look at the columns of B. Number of columns in B equal to number of rows in A. So that is our procedure to existence of the product. So number of columns in B equal to number of rows in A. Okay, how many columns in B? In B we have 17 minus B columns. Okay, so substitute here 17 minus B equal to number of rows in A. How many rows in A? A rows in A. So substitute A here. So here also we have to bring all the variables to one side, constants to another side. Okay, so bring this A to this side and 17 to that side. So plus A will come here minus A. Minus A minus B equal to plus 17 will go there, no? So minus 17. So in this equation we have all negative signs. So we can divide by minus. So what will you get? A plus B equal to 17. Here we are having another equation. Call this equation as 2. Okay, now we are going to solve these two equations, then only we can get the value for A and B. Understood? So, our first equation is nothing but A minus B equal to minus 17. Our second equation is A plus B equal to 17. A plus B equal to 17. A minus B equal to minus 3. Sorry. Here minus 3 plus 17. Okay. So this is our first equation. This is our second equation. Now we are going to solve these two equations. Listen carefully. We have to add these two equations. Then only this B plus B and minus B will get cancelled. Okay. So, if we add these two equations, plus B minus B gets cancelled. So, what will you get? A plus A, 2A equal to 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3 is nothing but 14. So, how will you find the value for A? So, 14 divided by 2, 7. So, the value of A is 7. And then, how will you find out the value for B? Substitute this A equal to 7 in any one of the equation. First equation or second equation. Take any one of the equation. Substitute A equal to 7 in that equation. We can find out the value for B. So, I am going to take the second equation. That is our easy equation. So, take second equation. A plus B equal to 17. Substitute A equal to 7 in this equation. So, instead of A, you have to put 7. 7 plus B equal to 17. B equal to this plus 7 will go there. So, minus 7. B equal to 17 minus 7, 10. That's all. So, the values of A, the value of A is equal to 7. The value of B equal to. Fourth question, if A equal to 2, 5, 4, 3. So, this is our 2 by 2 matrix. How many rows? 2 rows in A. And how many columns in A? We have 2 columns. So, this matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. Understood? And then B equal to 1, minus 3, 2, 5. This matrix is also 2 by 2 matrix. These two matrices are square matrix. Okay. Okay. Find AB, BA and verify AB equal to BA. First, you have to find out the product of A and B, and then find out the product of B and A, and then you have to verify whether these two are equal or not. So, first you have to find out the product of A and B. So, product of AB is nothing but you have to write the matrix A first and then B second. What about BA? You have to write the matrix BA at the first and then write the matrix A second. Okay. So, that is the procedure. First, find out the product AB. Okay. First, write A matrix 2, 5, 4, 3 into 1, minus 3, 2, 5. Okay. We have one more procedure to find out the product. Okay. So, how will you find the product in product of two matrix? First, take the first row alone. Take the first row alone. Multiply this first row by these two columns. So, that is our first procedure. Okay. So, how will you find out the product? Listen carefully. Take first row in the first matrix. In first row, we are having two entries. Am I correct or not? So, multiply these two entries by first column. These two entries. Okay. First multiply 2 and 1. 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. And then 5 into 2 is 10. So, you have to write plus 10. This row should be multiplied with this column we have only one entry. Understood? So write that entry in the first number. Understood clearly? And then take this first row, multiply this first row by this second column. Multiply this first row by second column. 2 into minus 3 is nothing but minus 6, and then 5 5s are 25 plus 25. This is our second entry of the product matrix. Understood clearly? So we have completed first row of the product matrix, and then come to the second row. Take second row, multiply this second row by this first column. Okay, 4 into 1, 4, and then 3 2s are 6. So in between these two numbers you have to put plus sign. Understood? And then take this second row, multiply the second row by second column. 4 into minus 3, minus 12, and then 3 5s are 15. In between these two numbers you have to put plus sign. So this is our procedure to find out the product of two matrices. Understood clearly? Now we have to simplify this matrix. 10 plus 2, 12. 25 minus 6 is nothing but 19. So our greater number is 25. No, the sign of 25 is plus. So plus 19. 6 plus 4 again 10. 15 minus 12 is nothing but 3. So this is our product matrix AB. Okay. Our next step is to find the product matrix BA. So write your B first and then write the matrix A second. Okay. Now we are going to find out the product. As in the same method, take the first row in the first matrix, multiply this first row by first column as well as the second column. Okay. So our first entry, how will you get your first entry in your product matrix? Take your first row in the first matrix, multiply this first row by this first column. 1 into 2 is nothing but 2, minus 3 into 4, minus 12. So this is our first entry. Okay. Now we are going to find out the second entry of the product matrix. How will you find out the second entry? Take this, multiply this first row with second column. Okay. Now we are going to get second entry. 1 into 5, 5, minus 3 into plus 3, minus 9. Okay. We have completed two columns. That means two entries we have completed. We can close this matrix and then try to find out the entry, third entry. Okay. So take second row in the first matrix, multiply this second row by first column as well as second column. Multiply the first row with the first column. 2 2s are 4, 5 4s are 20. In between these two numbers you have to put plus sign. And then come to the last entry. Take this second row in the first matrix, multiply the second row by this second column. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So in between these two you have to put plus sign. Now we are going to simplify this matrix. 2 minus 12 is nothing but these two are different signs numbers. So you have to subtract and then put greater number sign. So 12 minus 2 is nothing but 10. Greater number is 12. What is the sign of this 12? Minus. So minus 10. And then again 5 minus 9 is nothing but you have to subtract 5 from 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Our greater number is 9. Put the greater number sign. So minus 4. Okay. Here 20 plus 4, 24. 10 plus 15 is nothing but 25. This is our matrix B. This is our product matrix BA. Okay. Our next question is to verify whether these two products are equal. Okay, our AB matrix is nothing but, what is our AB matrix? 12, 19, 10, 3. 12, 19, 10, 3. This is our product matrix AB. This is our product matrix BA. These two are not equal. So AB is not equal to BE. So this is our conclusion.